Hello, in this video we show how to convert a string into a date object in R. So we go to RStudio and you can download source file from this website's download menu. So next we go to RStudio and open this file. Go to the section for converting a string into a date object. So in R, the date object has this form, so year, month, and day. And if you want to convert a string to a date object, R will, by default, will understand this string. This is a string, not a date object yet, right? But R will consider this string has this form, year, date, year, month, and date, this form. So if you do not set any options, so we say run this, so it's correct. Now the result is an object of date, not a string now. But if you do not specify any option and use another string kind of format to the input, that will come with error. But if you will set option for this kind of string input, then it is okay because it is month, day, and year. This is the American format, month, day, year for the date object. But in R anyway, the result is year, month, and date. Thanks for watching.